In this video today, I'm going to show you a powerful way to drive targeted traffic to any Clickbank offer that you want to use. So you're going to want to sit back and relax, and I'm going to get you jacked up on this method here right now. Alrighty guys, like I said in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can drive targeted traffic to any Clickbank offer that you want with this particular method, and it's a powerful method. And first of all, if you've been here to my channel before, as you see right there on your screen, and you still haven't yet subscribed, by golly, I can't imagine what's keeping you from it. As I'm always coming out with ways to show you how to bring financial and time freedom into your life with all these different methods that you see here to make money online right from the comfort of your own home. So what I need you to do right now is, while we're thinking about it and I'm talking about it, just reach right down there and hit the subscribe button that you see right here, and don't forget to click that little bell there to the right of it so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Alrighty guys, well, let's go ahead and get started on this here. I'm anxious to show this to you. It's a very powerful way to do this, but I will tell you here also that the outset right here that this is not a free method. But then on the other hand, it's not an expensive method either, as you'll soon see. But what we want to show you here is the power of how you can really make some great money, probably over $200 per day, I would think would be easy with this particular method. Alright, so let's go ahead. We're going to come over here to our Opera browser right here, and we're going to do this a little bit backwards today. Here we're going to show you where we're going to market the Clickbank product first and how we're going to do it, and then we'll pick a product from Clickbank to show you how to go about doing it here. Now we're going to come over to this website right here. It's called Clerks, as you see right here up here in the address bar. Let me get my little magnifying thing out here, and you see right here in the address bar, it's adclerks.com, adclerks.com. And this website here is a website where you can come and buy or purchase ad space on high authority websites that get a lot of traffic on a monthly basis, or even on some on a daily basis or weekly basis. And you can purchase ad space on those sites right here on this site and place your ad and drive targeted traffic straight to your Clickbank offer. And you can buy ads, as it says right here, target real people via ad space on our marketplace of approved websites through our self-serve automated advertising platform. And also over here, if you happen to have a website, you can sell ad space on your website too, right here as well. It's free to create an account on this. You just click on create account right here. It comes up with the form. You just pick a username, your first and last name, and email address, and then choose a password, and then fill out the little security thing here. Check the I agree to the terms and policies. And then this one down here, you don't have to check if you don't want to, and then just click create an account. It's free to do that. Doesn't cost anything. This is to do everything is free, but to purchase the ads is not. But let's check this out. Now, as you'll see as we scroll down here, actually I want to point this out too. They've got a $10 off coupon code right here at the top of the page for April. Okay, but my guess is since April's pretty well shot right now, today's the 28th, so they'll probably have this same coupon code for May as well. Okay, that's just a guess. I don't know for sure, but a couple days here you'll be able to tell. What you can do here, as you see on this website, you can sort these websites through by click-through rate, impressions, the newest ones, priced high to low, or priced low to high. And what I want you to see right here, guys, is look right here. I'm going to zoom in a little on this. You can see that every single category of websites that you see right here are all the same things that you would see on Clickbank. All of these categories are all the same. And then you can also do more filtering right here by different sizes and stuff of ads, prices, types, and impressions as well. For example, if we scroll down through here, you can see that these are websites right here, high authority websites that get lots of traffic. For example, this one here, it's under the affiliate SEO and marketing platform or category. So if you want to do an affiliate marketing product from Clickbank, you can use this website And if you look, that gets about 2.5 million impressions per month, and it's only 10 cents per 1,000 impressions. You see that? 10 cents per 1,000. Here's one under cryptocurrency category, 1.7 million impressions per month, and only 40 cents per 1,000 impressions. And it goes on up as we scroll down, and as you look, all of these come down. Some of these even you can purchase by the month. For example, here's one. For example, if you were going to do cryptocurrency, you could click on this particular website post here. Tells you a little bit about the websites when you click on them here. You can see the estimated monthly impressions here is almost 2 million on this particular website right here called freenem.com, as you see right there. And you can see it has an Alexa rank of 42,000, and it has 26,000 Twitter followers. So this site obviously gets a lot of traffic, and you can see that most of their traffic is from Russia, Germany, France, United States, Ukraine, and Brazil, as you see there. And then over here also, you see that what they do on these sites, you're going to put banner ads. You're going to be able to put a banner ad on their sidebars, or into there. Could be, even if it's a longer ad, more of a rectangular ad, you can put that in there in maybe an article or something. They'll show you on the, for example, you can put a 300 by 250 banner ad on their sliding banner ad, they say here, extremely visible. And it's available right now, and it's only 30 cents per 1,000 impressions. So think about that, guys. 30 cents will go into $1 3 times, right? 3 times 6 is 9, right? Or 3 plus 6 is 9. So for $1, you could get 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 impressions on your Clickbank product. You see the power of that? That is a lot of power right there, particularly for targeted traffic. And if we come back, we can also see all these others. There's some of these sites will allow you to have, as well as you can pay. For example, here's a gaming site you see right here. They charge for a whole month. Could you imagine having a banner impression for a whole 30 days going on with a Clickbank product on a site that gets 676,000 impressions per month? Guys, that you see the power in that? That is a lot of power going on right there. Let's just say today, you see how well this works right here. You're buying banner impressions and put a banner on their site and buying those impressions to drive targeted traffic to your Clickbank offer. So now let's see how we're going to do this. So for example, I'm going to come over here to categories, as you see, and I'm going to choose, for our example today, I'm going to choose the health and fitness niche. Remember, we want to keep everything congruent across the board, right? As you can see here, there's a lot of sites here that have health and fitness, have to do with health and fitness. Some of these only get 1,000, less than 1,000 impressions per month, and charge them $30 for that. I don't know, that doesn't make a lot of sense to me. I don't see much of the point there, because spend $30 for only 1,000 impressions per month on that. But what I would do would be come back up here. For example, I like this one right here. It gets 119,000 or 120,000 impressions per month, and it's 40 cents. Only 40 cents, guys, for 1,000 impressions. So if I click on that site and it loads it up, it's lookformedical.com. And you see here that they get about 120,000 estimated monthly impressions. You see they have their similar web ranking right here. Let me zoom in on that. Similar web ranking, that's 110,000 people per month that visit this particular website. They have an Alexa rank of 206,000. And then if we come back out, you can see that you can purchase a wide skyscraper banner, 160 by 600, a leaderboard, 728 by 90, 20 cents per 1,000 impressions. A medium rectangle of 300 by 250, 30 cents per 1,000 impressions. You'll get a 1,000 here, but the estimated impressions may be about 30,000, it says. You can have a half page, 300 by 600 banner here for 50 cents per 1,000 impressions. So I like that. That's a pretty cheap price and a website that gets a really large amount of traffic on a monthly basis. Alright, so let's just say, for example, we're going to choose that particular site right there. Now, this is in the medical niche. It's in the health and fitness niche, guys. So we want to keep everything, as you can see, it's the health and fitness niche right up here above my head. So we want to keep everything congruent. So what we're going to do now, we're going to come back to Clickbank and pick a product here. So we come over to Clickbank. If you don't have a Clickbank account, it's just easy enough to create one. Come to clickbank.com, click on create an account, sign up, make sure you save your affiliate nickname or affiliate ID so that you can market all of the Clickbank products. Alright, now what I did was because I picked this particular site, look for medical.com, I came to Clickbank and I typed in up here in the search engine medical. See, I've already jumped ahead on this particular method, which, by the way, guys, if you're beginning to see the power in this particular method that I'm showing you here, don't waste any time. Just reach right down there below right now and give me a thumbs up, and hit that thumbs up button. Give me a like on this video, okay? So anyways, I typed in medical up here and I did a little search, and you see there's quite a few different products we can use here, but not all of the products on Clickbank have banners in terms of their affiliate marketing tools that you can use. So we wanted to find one that has banners, and I did find one down here. If I come down here to this one, it's High Cholesterol by Blue Heron Health, and you can make $41.87 per sale. And what I did was I clicked on the affiliate link right here, and it brought me over to here, right here, and it tells you the affiliate promotional materials. And then what I did was I typed in my affiliate Clickbank nickname or ID, right, and then just clicked on submit, and that brought me over here to this particular page right here, and you can see that you can get your links and email swipes here, and they have the banners like what we're looking for, and they've got other things down through here that you can use to promote this particular product with. But what we're looking for is banners, right? They have a 160 by 600, a 300 by 600, and a 300 by 250 here, and they have some other ones that are listed here, but they're not showing up at this particular time. But nevertheless, I like this one right here, the 300 by 600 one right here. And if we come back over to Ad Clerks, we look down through here, we can get us a half page 300 by 600 banner advertisement in the left sidebar of their website. So basically what I would do, it's 50 cents per 1,000 impressions. So if I spent $5, that would probably be so at $1 will get you 2,000, $2 will get you 4,000, $3 will get you 6,000, $4 will get you 8,000, and $5, guys, get you 10,000 impressions, however long that takes, depending on how much traffic comes to the website on a daily basis, right? Anyways, what I would do was I come here, and all you have to do here, particular on this one here, it's the One Food Cholesterol Cure, which one common ingredient drops high cholesterol to a healthy level today, and then click here. So this whole banner is live, and if I click on it right now, you see that it brings up the code right here for that particular banner. So what you'd want to do would be to copy that code, and it's already got my affiliate ID attached to it right here. Is you want to copy that code and then come back over to Ad Clerks, and then just simply click on Add to Cart. Follow through with it. They're going to want that banner code. You're going to paste that banner code right into there and send that to them. Pay them $5 and get your 10,000, or even $1 if you only want 2,000 impressions to test it out with. It's up to you. You could spend $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $10, $20, whatever, and get the more impressions for just 50 cents per 1,000 impressions, and drive high targeted traffic straight to your Clickbank product. Alrighty guys, now I'll tell you what, if you see the power in this method, I don't know if you can see it, but I can too. In fact, I'll just tell you now, if you don't come over and take action on this particular method that I just showed you here, then you just plain don't want to make money. That's going to be my impression. I would think that you guys would come right over here and jump right on this and take action on this, get you a Clickbank product and get on this and get that thing advertised out there and begin to make some Clickbank sales. Probably over $200 a day, I would think ought to be pretty easy with this particular method. Even if it was only $100 per day. 2 sales get you what? Well, $40. Two sales get you close to $100 on if you use this particular product that I showed you. So even so, if you only spent $5 and you got that, you've made your money back. While your profit margin's what, 350%. So see guys, it's a no-brainer. Alrighty guys, well I'm going to let you go with that. That's what I had for you today. If you see the power in this particular method, then come over and take action on this. Give me a thumbs up down there if you like this video and see the power in this. Also, don't forget to reach down there and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos. Also, if you have an idea for a Clickbank product or any affiliate product that you want to set up an online business with and make even higher ticket sales with your business, then what you want to do is to come over and click that Mentor with Kev down there in the top of my description and come over and see how we can help you get your business set up at Legendary Marketer in our 15-day Business Builder Challenge, and get Dave Sharp's Copywriter's Playbook so that you learn how to write successful ads to drive targeted traffic in your business as well. Alrighty guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Reach down there and check that out, mentorwithkev.com. Get signed up on my mailing list and check out the back of my funnel for that offer. Alrighty guys, I'm going to let you go with that. I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye now.